Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first Pi App Studio. So go to Pi browser and click the App Studio. Then here I'm going to create a new app. So it's a chatbot. So first is enter your domain knowledge. It can be design and arts, paid training. But in this example I'm going to create a simple website. So I'll just use or input HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So these are tools in creating a website. And then here, let's describe the app. So this is just a chatbot and it can help us generate code. So here's the app preview and here's say hi. I can see this is just a test response. Let's edit again our app. So let's add the custom instructions of the app. So this is an HTML, CSS, JavaScript expert that can generate code, and you can set the color of your app. So let's try. I guess let's just stick with purple. So here's the preview. Let's create our welcome message. So hi, a web guru. So that's it. And then as you can see, this is just the test, so it won't give us an answer. And now let's create the name of our app. So let's call it Code Help. So on the top there's the name of the app. And now let's publish the app. So it will cost 0.25 Pi. So this is the URL of the app. And then if you go to my app, so this is the one that we recently created. So let's open that one and then let's copy or grab the URL and then let's access the app. So let's paste and then, so as you can see, here's the welcome message and then let's try. So hi, it's still thinking, so let's wait for the response first. So as you can see, this is HTML, CSS, JavaScript helper. So let's prompt this. Can you generate a simple website? So let's still thinking. So as you can see, the response, it gives us a code. Although the formatting is not that good, but as you can see here, there is a button, basic styling, and let's copy this code in order to render or show what our website looks like. So here, from that, then copy till this that one, and I'm open this tool so I can paste the code snippet, and as you can see, here is a simple website. So there's the header, and then navigations, there's the content, and even have a JavaScript event and a footer. Now let's try to ask the AI to update the navigations, or maybe the banner color to purple, and then the navigations also, I'd like the navigations to have the Pi text on it. So Pi home, Pi about, and then the Pi contact. So let's send. So let's wait for it finish rendering or thinking. So now again, let's grab this one and then let's copy and then paste. And as you can see, the banner is now purple and the navigations, they have now the Pi text on each of the navigation. And that's basically it. I just built a simple website using the Pi App Studio, and as you saw, it didn't require any advanced coding skills. Now it's your turn. Create your own app or website inside Pi App Studio and share it with the community. Let's show the world that real utility on Pi Network looks like. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Pi-powered tutorials. See you in the next one.